2, 1, now.
I'm going to show you how to make your wig look natural because we can't be out here in 2019 looking like we got a straight up wig on. Like, it's just not a thing. So the first step is to bleach your knots and tint your lace. I have a whole tutorial on how to bleach knots. It is very simple. It looks a little complex and it is a tad bit long, but just watch it. I promise you it will help you. And then the next thing is to tint your lace. I like using transparent lace because it gives you a nice clean slate to work on. And then I highly encourage you to get some lace tint. And the lace tint that I like, it is Wig Gurus, probably because this is the only one that I know. It is a UK-based company, and they, I would say it's expensive, but it ain't cheap. This is $25, and you also have to pay for shipping, which was another $25. So yeah, that was a lot, but I love it. Like, this will take your wig to like a whole nother level because it literally matches the color of your scalp. Like, it's just insane. So yeah, that's step number one. Step number two, guys, you need, it's not a step number two. Tip number two, you need color. Adding color to your hair makes people second guess that shit is a wig. Because most people are walking around with that, you know, that beauty supply store, number 2 brown. It looks fake. And when you add color, when you add dimension to it, it gives people an opportunity to second guess. Like, we all know that when you get up close and personal that this shit is a wig, but do you need to know that from like 5 feet away? No, like, no. It needs to be like, oh.
You like my hair? Gee, thanks. Just bought it. I see it. I like it. I want it. I got it. Yeah.
So yeah, I think I trip people up every time with my hair because it has color in it. And I'm not saying you need to go lighter. Even just having black dye will change the look of your hair. So yeah, that's tip number 2 for sure. And then tip number 3, this one's going to be a tough one. It is hair texture, guys. Hair texture. When you have that like silky, ilky, like, I don't want to say Brazilian. When that shit is like silky, ilky, like, it just looks fake. Like, I don't care how good you lay your shit down. Like, I can just be like, babes, that's not growing out your hair. Like, it's not. So I highly recommend getting texture that is close to your texture and that is like believable. So whenever I'm doing like curly, this is actually the loosest curl that I've ever tried, and it kind of works. I don't like, yeah, this kind of works, but I typically will go for like a kinkier texture. I just wanted to try something different for the summer. And then I also, like, if I'm wearing my hair straight, I will do like a kinky straight, or I'll do even like, not a body wave, but a textured like Brazilian wave or whatever, and then I'll like straighten it just to have that texture. Like, texture is important, and that is basically like a game changer. So quick recap, make sure you tint your lace, you bleach your knots. That's tip number 1. Tip number 2, make sure that you put some color on your hair, even if it's black. And then tip number 3, texture, guys. Texture. Make sure you have the right texture. So I hope this video was helpful. If you like what you saw, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. You guys want to see more hair videos based off of like the videos that you guys are watching on this channel. So I'm giving you what you want. So yeah, I am super excited that you guys are here, and I hope to see you soon. Okay, bye.